Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Ford Focus manual. First, familiarize yourself with the 3 pedals: the clutch on the left, the brake in the middle, and the accelerator on the right. Next, understand the gear stick pattern. Typically, first gear is top left. To start, ensure the car is in neutral, press the clutch pedal fully, and turn the key. This prevents the car from lurching forward unexpectedly. Once the engine is running, keep the clutch pressed and move the gear stick into first gear. Now, slowly and smoothly begin to lift your foot off the clutch pedal. You will feel the car start to vibrate slightly and want to move. This is the bite point. At this exact moment, gently apply pressure to the accelerator pedal while continuing to slowly release the clutch. This coordinated action will get your Ford Focus moving smoothly. To shift up, accelerate to a suitable speed for the next gear, then fully press the clutch pedal while simultaneously releasing the accelerator. Move the gear stick into the next higher gear, then smoothly release the clutch while gently applying the accelerator again. For downshifting, brake to reduce speed, press the clutch, select a lower gear, and release the clutch while giving a small amount of gas to match engine revolutions, ensuring a smooth transition. When you need to stop, press the clutch pedal fully and simultaneously apply the brake pedal. As the car comes to a complete halt, shift the gear stick into neutral and then release the clutch and brake. Consistent practice is key to mastering manual driving. Remember, smooth pedal control and timing are crucial for a comfortable ride. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.